Okay, I'm out here and I just wanted to show y'all all my radishes. I don't want to pull all of them because I'm not ready to eat all of them, but I will before they turn they'll fade out. See, this one's already, it's small, but it's already starting to fade out a little bit. So anyway, this is a spinach here, which grown. I need to come out here and pull some of my spinach. This endured the ice storms, which is cool. All of this is from seed. I did not buy this from the store. Radishes are great for you, and honestly, they are so easy to eat, to grow. You can grow them in a pot right there on your patio, and it's fast, like 3 to 5 weeks, and you've got these awesome radishes. And I just cut them up and eat them with hummus, eat them like a chip. All right, so here's my radishes. I cut the top off, and they just have these cute little tails. I'm gonna cut them off. They look pretty bright. You can pull them whenever you want to. They can be bigger if you want. But last year, I think I let them grow too big, and then they kind of faded. My grandfather loved radishes. He'd cut them up and have them at the table. He never really like put together a salad. He just had like bowls of vegetables laying around his plate. I'm gonna do a little bit thicker than that. Okay, so this is a good thickness right here for hummus. Or you can dip it in, avocado. See? I like that. And to me, it's a little peppery. It's not really that hard. I'm gonna try one. These aren't bitter at all. These are good. So I'm just gonna cut off. Man, I did it again. Oh well, I have to eat it then. So it detoxes your liver and your stomach, all that stuff. So these are so easy to grow. I mean, literally, I think I put those seeds in the ground like 3 weeks ago. Not very long ago. Because I was worried about putting the seeds in the ground too early, you know. So anyway, let me show you I'm going to show you this little hummus stuff I get from Costco. So here's the guacamole that I get from Costco, or here's the organic hummus, and then I just lift this up, and then I put some Cholula hot sauce in it, and then I just dip it. Very delicious.